Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to my Topper Student channel. In this channel, you will find the solution of mathematics and computer science for OE level past paper. Today we shall discuss question number 4 of paper 3 pure mathematics session May June 2023. In order to search this channel on the YouTube, please use this word my topper students. You will find the channel my topper student. For online tuition, please contact on this WhatsApp number. In paper 3 pure mathematics 3, the question number 4 is solve the equation 2 cos x minus cos x by 2 equal to 1 for 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2 pi. So the given equation is 2 cos x minus cos 1 by 2x plus equal to 1. First of all, I shall share some identities of the trigonometry so that we can solve this question easily. We know that by converting the cos x into half angle, we have cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 equal to 0. And we know that from the identity sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x by 2. After simplification, cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. So we shall put this value at this position. So 2 into 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 minus cos x by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. After simplification, we have converted this in the form of quadratic in cos x by 2. Using the quadratic formula, after simplification, we get cos x by 2 equal to 1 and minus 3 by 4. So the first option is when cos x by 2 is equal to 1, we get x equal to 0. For the second one, as the value of the cos x by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4, so we know that cos is minus in the second and in the fourth quadrant. So in this case, the basic angle is cos inverse 3 by 4 is equal to 0.722 radians. We know that in order to calculate the angle lie in the second and in the third quadrant. By simplification, we get x equal to 4.843 and x equal to 7.7311. And this angle is out of range because the range given is equal to 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2 pi. When we convert 2 pi into a digit, then that will be less than 7.731. So this value is out of range. So the solution set is equal to x equal to 0, this value x equal to 0, and the other one is 4.84 radian. Thank you for watching the solution prepared by senior A level teacher. Wish you good luck for your exam.